Today, for the 365 drink project, we have the final ward. You will need rye whiskey, green chartreuse, maraschino liqueur, and lemon juice. First, put in your 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, followed by 3/4 of an ounce of maraschino liqueur, then 3/4 of an ounce of rye whiskey, finally 3/4 of an ounce of green chartreuse. Add in your ice, give it a good shake, strain into a chilled coupe glass, and there you have a final ward.